nke onye chiri ya zelu. Daalụ no. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good day. Asị nka njụọ ka ihe ga-eme onye Igbo ma onye ejiri ala nne ya wee zụ, onye amụrụ ọfụma, o wee je tie aka na PDP in the next coming election. Abụrụ m a politician, mana oge elugo na m ga-eti ọnụ n'okwu a. I may not convince you, but I may put in one or two seed of thought for you to think. If you're really going to vote, why will you make your mind? Where will you make up your mind to vote for Atiku Abubakar? Ma ọ bụrụ na enyere gị ego, enyegodu gị ego, ịbụ Judas. Iburugodu Judas, ị chọrọ igbu onwe gị. So I just want you to think twice. Like I said, I'm a politician. Mana, ọ ga-amagbu onwe ma ọ bụrụ na unu ghọta ya from n'ọnụ this a politician. Credit to Channel TV for this information now.
That if there is anybody that his team has been extinguished completely, is that of Atiku Abubakar, who, of course, should have been disqualified by now by going to the north and making a genocidal statement that Northerners should vote for North only. This was what caused genocide in Rwanda. When Hutus were told that they should not support Tutsis because they are cockroaches, Atiku Abubakar went to the north and said Northerners should support only the people from the north, not Yoruba, not Igbo. That is ethnic profiling. That's genocidal statement. Atiku knows he has failed. What he's trying to do now is to make sure he destroys our democracy after he has failed. And he should be called to order. INEC should be implementing Section 97 of the Electoral Act now on Atiku, because that's a criminal offense, trying to profile ethnic and religious groups. So it is Atiku Abubakar that I've always said he is very unfit to be president, and not only that he's unfit, he is now a threat to our democracy. It is him that when he launched his own campaign in Akwa Ibom, all of them were Obi-centric. All of them were obedient. What other evidence do you want me to say?
Ka uru ọ ga-abara gị ma ọ bụrụ na ije were votu gị tinyere Atiku, nke gịnị ji mee? Ya, ọ na ha nye gị ego iwe na-amachi agba ma je tinyere onye o kwesịrị ịbụ, so ọgwụ ka ọra n'ọnụ.